Welcome to Part 6 of Esri Canada's Address Manager instructional video series. In this session, we'll look at the basics of using the Address Manager Configurator application. There are two options available upon opening the Configurator: create a new application or open an existing application. We'll create a new application. In the pop-up, input an application name. We'll use any town. Next, enter the agency ID being the domain name of the agency who will receive the discrepancy reports, and the GIS data provider name, which is usually, but not always, your agency. Enter the full municipality name the data is for, the province, and the online or enterprise folder that will contain the application components. The application will be created and the general settings screen is displayed. Select a web map configuration and a web scene configuration if one will be used. The web map and the web scene must be created before this operation. The editing tools will be displayed in the left panel. Selecting Tools allows us to change the order of the editing tools in the application panel, rename the tool, disable one or more tools, and specify an icon for each tool. With map settings, we can specify what source or sources to use for the map search bar, a default search source, or to search using all sources. We can also specify what map tools to display. All of the feature editing tools can be displayed, and settings relative to that tool can be changed. This must be done carefully, and as a rule, most of the default settings are used. Using road as an example, various fields can be configured differently with respect to their characteristics, such as how to calculate the field, whether it's read-only or required. Again, care must be taken if changing default values. We can also change what fields are displayed in the application attribute panel. After making any changes, be sure to select Save. Once the configuration is saved, we can then launch the application. All the settings made in the Configurator application are now reflected in the application itself.